In 1932, the Australian military declared war on an unexpected enemy, 20,000 emus. Farmers in Western Australia were losing their wheat crops to the giant running birds, so the government deployed soldiers armed with Lewis machine guns. It turned out to be a total humiliation for the military. The emus scattered in guerrilla formations, dodging bullets and outsmarting human strategy. After weeks of chaos and thousands of wasted rounds, the troops retreated. Australia actually lost a war to birds.